What is MetaMask? Is MetaMask safe? MetaMask is one of the more popular crypto wallets out there. How exactly does it work? MetaMask is a cryptocurrency wallet, trusted by over 10 million people worldwide. The wallet is known for its positive reputation both from a safety and security perspective. Let's look at what makes MetaMask such a trustworthy crypto wallet. MetaMask is one of the leading crypto wallets and relies on browser integration and good design to serve as one of the main gateways to the world of Web3, decentralized finance, and ETFs. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe and stay connected with us by like, comment, and share this video. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a popular and established browser extension, which functions as a cryptocurrency wallet that connects to the Ethereum blockchain. MetaMask allows users to interact with the Ethereum ecosystem, which hosts a vast universe of decentralized applications without having to download the entire blockchain on their device. As such, it's one of the best Ethereum wallet solutions for easy access to decentralized exchanges, gaming platforms, gambling sites, and many other applications. MetaMask, a brief history and key features. MetaMask acquired 400,000 users between the wallet's creation in 2016 and September 2020. Last October, it hit 1 million monthly active users. Prior to 2019, the Ethereum online wallet was only available as a desktop browser plugin for Firefox and Chrome. In September 2020, ConsenSys released the first official MetaMask mobile application for Android and iOS-powered mobile devices. How does MetaMask work? Imagine MetaMask as a unique wallet for your internet browser that helps you interact with decentralized applications like DeFi protocols and NFT. See how MetaMask works by exploring an example transaction. Web3 Explorer. When you visit an online decentralized application, MetaMask pops up. It says, "Hey, this website wants to talk to your wallet." You can decide whether to let it or not. Secure transactions. Suppose you find a cute digital pet on a Web3 website and want to buy it using cryptocurrency. When you click Buy, MetaMask jumps in. Waiting room. The cryptocurrency network gets your message and tells everyone using it that you want to buy the pet. They check to make sure you have enough cryptocurrency. Successful transaction. Once the network agrees that you have enough cryptocurrency, your purchase is successful. What is MetaMask used for? By default, MetaMask is compatible with ETH and EVM-compatible chains. Among the chains that MetaMask supports are Arbitrum, Optimism, Binance, Smart Chain, Polygon, Avalanche. Unfortunately, MetaMask does not support Bitcoin. Potential issues with MetaMask. Browser compatibility. MetaMask is primarily designed for desktop browsers like Chrome and Firefox. It might not work as smoothly on all browsers or mobile devices. Extension vulnerabilities. Since MetaMask is a browser extension, it's susceptible to browser vulnerabilities. Malicious browser extensions could potentially compromise the security of your MetaMask wallet. Transaction delays and fees. Ethereum network congestion can lead to slow transaction processing times and high transaction fees. This can sometimes result in frustrating experiences for users. Network switching. Switching between different Ethereum networks within MetaMask can confuse users not well versed in blockchain concepts. Lack of customer support. MetaMask is an open-source project, and its support is primarily community-driven. While there are forums and communities to seek help, there isn't a dedicated customer support team to address user issues. Loss of funds. If users lose their private keys or recovery phrases, they could permanently lose access to their funds. Unintended transactions. Users might accidentally initiate transactions due to unfamiliarity with the interface or network conditions. Third-party dApps. MetaMask allows interaction with decentralized applications, but the security of these dApps is not always guaranteed. Some dApps might be poorly designed or even malicious. Synchronization delays. MetaMask needs to sync with the Ethereum network to show accurate balances and transaction history. What advantages does MetaMask have? Popular, it is commonly used, so users only need one plugin to access a wide range of dApps. Simple instead of managing private keys. Users just need to remember a list of words, and transactions are signed on their behalf. Saves space. Users don't have to download the Ethereum blockchain, as MetaMask sends requests to nodes outside of the user's computer. Integrated dApps are designed to work with MetaMask, so it becomes much easier to send Ether in and out. Third-party MetaMask holds private keys within the user's browser. This is less secure than a hardware or paper wallet, but is a reasonable compromise for the ease of use. What are the MetaMask fees? MetaMask provides a default gas fee for every transaction, depending on the status of the Ethereum network. In addition, users are given the option to alter the gas fees and gas limits through an advanced tab that allows parameter customization. The difference between fees and limits is that fees are the cost of processing transactions, while gas limits are the highest transaction costs a user is willing to bet on a single transaction. Is MetaMask safe? MetaMask's online nature limits its security level compared to cold storage offline wallets like Trezor and Ledger. However, it beats other wallets in terms of ease of access with the Ethereum dApp world, thanks to its easy setup and availability on both desktop and mobile platforms. According to MetaMask, they do not have any control of personal or private data on their servers, and everything is protected or encrypted on the user's browsers and password. Additionally, the wallet's option to set the gas limit above or below the average fees gives users the freedom to choose how fast their transactions are processed and how much they have to pay in fees, a functionality unavailable in most crypto wallets. For more in-depth analysis and exclusive content, visit our website at financialmarkets.online. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial trends.